Hi, it's Ruth. Happy New Year, everybody. I've been a little bit ill over the new year, you might have seen on Instagram. So I'm not going to do a voiceover for this entire video, but I just wanted to pop in and give a personal touch and say Happy New Year. I'm doing okay. I'm not in pain today, but I probably sound a little bit congested. My throat's very dry, but I'm fine. It's fine, I'm fine. It's fine. But over the Christmas break and the New Year break, I have received lots of excellent new stamping products, so I'm happy to be back at it again. I've almost grown my hands to match. This is the hand you see on Instagram, my right hand, and this is my left hand, with the almost nubby nails, but they're growing back okay. Oh, after a few bad breaks that I had. So I'll just show you what's on these plates, and then I think I'm going to do a design with the Laura. She's called Laublm on Instagram. I'll link her down below, of course. She has teamed up with Ejiubas, as you can see. She's teamed up with them to create a plate. Since she's Spanish, it has lots of cacti and nature images, and it has some unicorns. I'll show you here. I think I'm going to use this, the word escapes me, glass. It'll come to me later. But here are the cacti, from flowers, like sunset images. It says natural, and it has Frida Kahlo's eyebrows with Viva la Vida. Frida Kahlo's eyebrows are a slightly bigger image. I wish it had her whole face. I think that's really a lovely thing to have on a plate. We've got more unicorn images, a jar with a boat on some water, or text. I like these like textural, painty, uneven images. They're really cool for backgrounds for things like the unicorns and like little stars. And then this one has more things like planets. We've got like Saturn, Mars probably, maybe. These reeds, some animals that look like they've been made from origami. Crystal images, mandala style. I like this beetle a lot. That's really beautiful. And this row of trees will make amazing like sunset nails. I'll probably end up doing that at some point. But I thought first things first. Oh, that's it. First things first. This terrarium. This would be what I want to use first, I think. I just really love it. It reminds me of one we had when I was a little girl. And I think my sister has it at her house now. Really, really lovely images. Gives me lots of ideas, but I think I'm going to go with the terrarium. And then the other packet of plates is, as you can see, as usual with Ejiubas plates, these ones are double-sided, which is just cool. For storage, it means you're getting twice as many images. And this one is called Ejiubas X14 and X15. So I'm guessing that's how many plates they have now. I haven't had Ejiubas reach out to me in a while, so I think I've missed a few plates. But the ones I had in the past, I still have them all. I really, really love. Like these look like those paper cutouts you can get framed, usually on places like Etsy. People make them, I suppose, but I don't have the skill or the patience, even though I stamp all the time. These flowers are like layering images, so you can do the flowers maybe in yellow or pink and then the stalks in green. It's really cool. And then these layering butterflies. And then this one is layering mandala style. Maybe even fireworks, some of them. They're really pretty. You see the firework ones here. Or the glare firework ones here. And then on the back we have a cityscape. 2 cityscapes, 3 cityscapes, an aeroplane. So lots of designs that work for New Year's. Again, I really like this like textured firework pattern. That's really original. So there's lots of really, really lovely images on these plates, and I think you get a lot for your money. Or you would. I would if I'd paid for them. I don't have a discount code with Ejiubas, but I will leave in my description box Laura, who did the collaboration plate I'm going to use. I'll leave her code because you might as well get a discount if you were thinking of buying them. What else can I say? My throat's a bit sore, so I'm going to go and get some nails done, and I'll come back and show you the decal process and show you how the plates stamp. But I'll probably do that with subtitles. So sorry for my snuffles, sorry for my scratchy voice, but I just like checking in. It feels good, man. If you could hear my mother coughing then, I apologise. I'm going to charge my battery. I'll see you in no time. I'll be right back. Here's the finished design. I'm not sure if all the parts I filmed today in fact were filmed, because I seem to be slipping up with what buttons to press because it's been a while and I've been a bit in a cloud of fog in my brain since being ill. But anyway, did the terrarium and some roses and little cacti and I think aloe vera and little plants on my other nails. So thanks you all for watching. I did something I didn't think I was going to do when I originally went away to do these nails. I did the light lilac textured stripes on the background, but then I forgot to do them when I was filming for the middle finger, so I added tiny little bits to the corners there because I tried to make the terrarium look see-through but like the light was shining in it. I don't know if what I did really worked, but overall I think they're nice nails. And there'll be pictures up on my Instagram if you'd like to have a look, and links to the plates on the Ejiubas site and maybe Amazon if I can find them. And obviously to Laura, the creator of this plates, Instagram and things too, just because I want to be nice to people. And I'll be a little bit embarrassed if she finds this because I have rambled and I sound terrible. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I think the thumb was my favourite one. And I thank you all for watching. Bye!